how to make raw meat. You only need two simple ingredients. Now, if you tend to get constipated, you're going to want to add fermented vegetables or fresh vegetables. You do not want to use lettuce, and you don't want to have this on salads. So here, yeah, this is just muscle meat from the store. It tastes like seed oil, and I want to suck it all up from the factory. You can do this with any meat, any muscle meat. So it doesn't matter if it's cheap or rich. Then we have an egg. I recommend getting the most expensive eggs, free range, or pasture raised. Pasture raised if you can get it. And all you do is take the meat, I have a bowl, you put it in here, now I had some other stuff in there already, I could take it out and show you, I will. So it kind of had like this Asian feel. You could like dip the meat in here. Like literally. So you see how it has like this Asian feel? And this is what I'm adding. For me, this is fresh green onion. Just from a neighbor's little plant box. It was growing wild. And then there's ginger, fresh ginger. And obviously another egg. I might even add a little bit of more onion. But I like that has like a nice aesthetic look. And you could just do this, pick it up in here. You know what I mean? If you have bigger things with meat, chunkier pieces, you could just like, scoop it in there like a nacho chip. Yeah. And that's basically it. So I'm going to throw it in there anyway. It doesn't have that appeal or whatever. That's it. And then you eat it. Is that what you want to see? I just have a lot of shit going on right here. The reason to eat this is because it gives you more energy than cooked meat. So here, makes your eyes go like. See, like I could have dipped it. I prefer to mix it all in like a pate. Sometimes I leave the stuff whole. Yeah. That's pretty much it. Bye, guys. If you